What's up, guys, and welcome back. Today we got a call. A lady, she's stuck at a soccer field. It sounds like she just drove over something, got the car kind of hung up. So hopefully it's just going to be a quick little pick and, you know, pull it or push it to the side, and she'll be on her way. No, I haven't really posted anything in 2 weeks. I actually just got back from CDL school, so hopefully I'll be making some content soon, running our heavy truck that we got. And then I also bought a head mount for the GoPro to kind of give, I guess, a better view of, like, a POV of what I'm doing, I guess. I don't know, just to try it out. I'm not too sure how I feel about it. I feel like the chest mount's a little bit better, but I guess it feels awkward having the mount on my head. But you'll be able to see the road, I guess, and like you'll be able to look at what I'm looking at versus just always be looking straight ahead. I guess y'all can just let me know in the comments what y'all think is better as far as like a viewer's perspective. But other than that, I'm gonna haul ass over to her, so I'll be back whenever we get there to assess the situation. Alright, I think we're at the right place. Yeah, GPS isn't always 100% accurate with stuff like this. We're looking for a forward edge that's kind of hung up and high centered. She said on the phone though it wasn't too bad, but we all know that can I can go one or two ways. It's either going to be absolutely terrible or it won't be too bad. But with it being a soccer field, I don't really think there would be anything out here she could really fuck her car up on. Yeah, okay, a black Ford Edge. Oh, actually, I don't think we need this no more. Let's go ahead and end route. Oh. Cool.
Crazy, right?
I'm surprised she made it over without ripping the bumper off.
Yeah. What are you gonna?
Hey, y'all come out the way though.
What now?
What are you gonna
do? Fake it till I make it, I guess.
You need help or anything, or do you need a jack, or you need anything?
I shouldn't. I should be able just to kind of, hopefully, just kind of pick it up and just let her pull forward. And it pull her,
pick up the front of the car?
No, like the ass end of the car, pick up the back, and just kind of have her pull forward as I like back up.
Okay.
And hopefully it'll get her off and over.
Oh, I was like, I could just relate. No, like literally,
I think that's gonna be the best bet. Yeah, because I'm not going to be able to use the wheel lift. Damn, that sun's bright.
Yeah.
So what I'm thinking,
I think we could come push it forward if you pick the back up.
that's what I was gonna say. I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna just have you get in it and just kind of just go slow. Just kind of put it in drive and just kind of pull it forward, and I'll come back because I don't want it to like hit the back of this. So we need to be like very controlled so it doesn't like swing.
All the wheels spin except the front one. So I guess how you don't want to do it.
What now?
All the wheels spin except like front one.
Okay.
So
All right.
how do you want me to do it?
We'll just, I'm gonna pick up the back. You'll just turn the wheel straight and just kind of put it in drive or in neutral or however, just let it roll, and we'll just kind of just let it ease, and then hopefully I will just be able to set you down on the other side of that lawn. I'm honestly impressed that you got up on it and you didn't mess nothing up.
You know, there's blessings.
Where's my? Oh, you're in this loop. Oh, don't tell me, don't tell me, no. Oh, cool, cool, cool.
I'm glad everyone else is loving it. Really helpful. Everyone keeps asking, how did you do it? On purpose, clearly. Like, on purpose.
You were bored.
Yeah. I thought, what can I do at a soccer field?
All right.
Shut up, bro. No, he's helping me out. So everybody came out here. Well, Mo can send it to you because he got out of the truck and took the photo. Anything? Oh, you need
Yeah, if you just want to get in it and just turn the wheel straight like I said. And just put it in neutral. And just
turn it on.
Yeah, you can, yeah. All right, yeah, and then turn the wheel to the right some. That'll.
Yeah, no, I'm not talking to you until I get home. Bye. I love you.
Yeah, that'll probably be okay. All right, so then just put it in neutral. Yeah, yes, ma'am. All right, and just don't hit the brake. Just kind of let me.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, just kind of let me.
Okay.
Do it. Actually, nope. Okay, so all right, yeah, all right, you're actually gonna have to put it in drive.
Okay.
All right, just
okay. It's in drive.
All right, just kind of let it ease and let's see what it does.
Take it off the brake.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. All right, just hit the gas some. All right. All right, yeah, so as I back up, just kind of let it ease. All right.
So I have to push the gas.
Yeah, just ease or just like slightly. This is probably not like the best way to do this. Yeah. All right. Whoa. Ma'am?
You want me to keep going?
Hold it right there for just a second.
Okay, hit the brake or no?
Just leave it right back. I'm gonna come back just a little bit more and then we'll do the same thing again and then I'll put you down. Definitely like the most unconventional way to do it. You can put it in park. Nope. All right, you can put it in park. You're off the log now. Yes, ma'am. All right, you have a good one.
Thank you so much. I'm good to drive. I'm like,
yes, ma'am, you're good.
a little scared.
No, ma'am, we're all good. Yes, ma'am. You have a good rest of your night.
My friend said she thinks you're kind of cute.
Ah, thanks. All right, and like always, we have another happy, satisfied customer. If y'all would have done anything different or seen something I didn't see, you know, feel free to leave a comment and let me know. I'm always open to learning new and different ways to look at things, or, you know, get jobs done. If you like the video, you know, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.